Ayan. Naghahunting daw kami. But, most of all, nag-picture taking. Oh, diba? Hinahanap namin yung larches. Large trees. Hindi talaga kami actual na naghahunt. Ang hinhunt namin yung large trees. Pero ang taas na namin ha. O, tingnan nyo. Malapit na kami doon sa pinakatuktok ng kabundukan. Rocky Mountain. May nahanap naman kami mga large trees. Pero naghanap pa rin kami ng marami. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Ayan o. Ayan o. Oh, diba? Cute. Cool. Huh? Huh? Sala po yung... Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda din. Ang ganda. Cinematic yung view. Grabe. This is it. Pansit. Worth it yung aming pag-akyat dito. Ganda ng view. Oh. Ayan. What's that? What's that daw?
Ito.
Ano yan?
Ano?
Tainang?
Tainan, honey? Elk?
Elk. Elk daw.
Where are you there? I'm looking for a bear.
Lakas ng loob kasi may baril. Looking for a bear. Lakas ng loob. Tara. Oh, layo na namin.
You tell black bear poop from usually poop.
No.
Black bear poop has berries and roots and a little bit of hair.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Grizzly has a lot of hair. Smells like pepper spray, and it's got those noisy dingle balls, and it's in bones from the hikers.
Grabe, ang ganda oh. Kakatakot yung nilakaran. Kunti lang nagpunta dito kasi malayo siya. Malayo siya na hahantingan. Yan. Yan. Tinuod ko.